Hey, my name is Mary and I'm here to tell you that the big live nature quiz is coming soon for kids 12 to 14 years of age on all 6 islands of the Dutch Caribbean. Schools on Aruba, Boneiru, Kòrsou, Saba, Sint Eustatius and Sint Maarten. Get ready, save the date, November 8th for the big live nature quiz. Ask your teacher if your school and your class is registered. Form your group of 1 to 4 members and participate in the big live nature quiz. This is a free quiz in English, but the questions will have subtitles in Dutch, Papiamentu, and papiamento. This year's theme is endangered species on land and under the sea. Big live nature quiz. Participate and win a chance for a sailing trip around your island and much more prizes.
The Big Live Nature Quiz starts at 9:45 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. on November 8th. For more information, visit www.biglivenaturequiz.org. The Big Live Nature Quiz is presented by DCNA and is funded by the Ministry of LNV and Postcode Loterij.